Capacity building. Capacity building was repeated at various stages. Trainings used participatory adult learning methodology. It was important to ensure that civil society organizations remained facilitators and did not become implementers. 2 selected women community leaders from each village were oriented on the need, objectives, indicators, and process of the monitoring exercise, and they became the point persons.
आपण तो सगळा याद करा दियो कैसे लुगाई हो, लेकिन आ बात अपन कोई सिखाई कि अपन नागरिक अपन कोई सिखाए होगा भारत देश का नागरिक। अगर आप बात कोई अपन सिखा दे तो अपन अधिकार लेना शुरू कर।
Monitoring. Women were eager to collect information. However, illiteracy was a hurdle. All information were collected through symbols. The symbols were finalized over a few workshops and assembled to create a language. They are based on traditional art form used by women for wall painting during auspicious occasions. A social map was developed indicating all households who are eligible, for which program is also marked over each house. For example, symbol will be made to depict pregnant women registration with sub-center, number of medical checkups, number of vaccinations, and nutrition from Anganwadi. Pictorial depictions makes counting and discussion easy. For example, the woman will count 4 pregnant women in a village, of which only 1 will be registered. So the action plan is to get the other 3 women registered. Situation is reassessed every 3 months. Members of the women's collective sit around the social map chart of their village and discuss status household-wise. All data is gender desegregated. There is usually a lot of discussion and analysis of reasons for non-access. Members separate with an action plan.
जो हमें 2 महीना लतेटे का पूरा हो जाए दिसंबर तक है। सॉरी।
Some core guiding values have been: CBM should utilize and increase community capacity. The community will develop understanding about its marginalization and vulnerability, and the analysis will enable people to take action. Negotiation with government officials. The women leaders carry their monitoring information to the local authorities for redressal of their grievances, as well as make suggestions to improve the service delivery. The most crucial and challenging element is to elicit a response from public officials. Initially, negotiation processes were not receiving much response. However, regular meetings of the community members have made a change in the behavior and attitude of the officials. At times, women leaders also tell their stories to the local media. The women are ready to conduct a Jan Sunwai if their cases remain pending for a long time.
कम 7 दिन के अंदर ये समाधान बिल्कुल होगा।
Institutionalization. The institutionalization of CBM process can be attained by coordination and convergence of various processes at the community and service provider level. While the community is involved in critically assessing the services, it also needs to understand practical difficulties of the state actors who are responsible for service delivery. Along with empowered community voice to demand quality services, there is also a need to enable the service providers to deliver better. Overall, enabling environment needs to be changed, keeping people at the center. During the community monitoring process, the women collectives have endured and strengthened. Their confidence and self-concept has increased. Dalit women leaders are recognized. However, attitudes and capacities can change only with time.